30 minutes.
I know.
That's so bad. There we go. We'll get a baby map going. We ain't gotta worry about no 30-minute game.
You gonna start?
Worried about that
getting
bread.
there.
Press the button.
Worried about the
savoring
bread.
Just press the button, dude.
It's literally
bread.
one.
It's right there.
It's a left click, right?
God. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The hive mind starting.
It's bad. It's fine, but it's bad.
We've arrived. Check the equipment.
I think I know that we've arrived.
No report this time. Be
Oh,
careful. You're going in blind.
I'm gonna take one of these, and I'm gonna go in the house.
I'm in the house.
Look, I swear to God, the longer I do this, the more brain cells I lose. I mean,
Oh
it's
my
probably
God.
fine.
Where are you?
Did you need any brain cells?
I'm in the house.
No, definitely not.
He's in the fucking wall.
Do you know where I am? You're behind the couch? Wait, how do you know that? I can see your feet. I'm pretty sure it's the kitchen. Something got yeeted.
Oop.
Oh, maybe the foyer?
It's a unit.
Oh, we're freezing. We're freezing somewhere. I just saw me breath.
Let me just get the vibes right, fellas. I wish for sunrise. Oh, look at that.
I just saw it.
Have we seen Limbo?
Limbo.
You got lumbago.
Little calcium boy.
Why not, dude? Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't that bad.
So the rest of the bathroom? I just saw a tube of something get yeeted right in front of me. But I saw freezing, and I don't know where it is now.
Interesting.
Perhaps I didn't see freezing.
Give me your boats! Where are they? Or, I feel like I have been all over this whole house. There ain't no way. Oh! In the bathroom. She was in the tub. We're not gonna talk about the noises I just made.
Is that the wild Thornsberry? What's going on?
Look, I'm gonna watch this stream back later and go, ah, man. I'm gonna have to delete that. Delete that footage. Where's
Also, I saw freezing temps again, so.
Yeah.
Where's the phone? Kyle?
Boys' room?
I'm at 5 right now.
Oh, he's talking about the parabolic.
Harry the Fox.
Where are you?
Looking for the bone.
How old are you?
Looking for the bone.
Looking for the bone.
Bro, where's the freezing at? Where are you?
I saw it in the hallway when I walked up.
Yeah, if I stand right here, I see it.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. Where are you? Clearly. How old are you?
Clearly, allegedly.
Allegedly, clearly.
Where are you hiding the bone?
If I find this bone...
Probably in the basement, motherfucker.
I already went down in the basement, dude.
Well...
But did you look in the basement?
Go down better.
But did you, like, look in the basement?
I did, dude. With my eyeballs and everything, bruh.
Yo, it's in the fucking basement. It took me 2 seconds.
Dude, you're lying.
I'm not lying.
Where?
In the back of this room, in the fucking corner.
In the back of this room. I didn't walk all the way.
I was gonna say, she didn't see it the first time. She's not gonna see it now.
I'm gonna keep it 100.
Did you pick it up?
No, I didn't. I took a picture. You go.
Why would you not pick it up?
Because my bone set's complete. I was leaving it for whoever needed it.
Fuck 'em. Pick up the bone.
Yeah, pick up the bone. You won't.
Sorry, Kyle.
Where the hell this ghost be? Where the hell? Give me a sign, please.
Ask it nicely. Fuck its feelings.
You. Give me a
Well,
sign.
no wonder it keeps killing us. It's because you're an asshole.
Damn.
Probably, honestly.
Oh, I saw dots.
You're a dot.
You're a dot.
Give me a sign. Oh, EMF5.
Word.
That concludes our investigation.
GG, fellas.
Yep.
Alright, so who wants to go get salt and diddle the other things we need to diddle?
What do we need to diddle?
I don't remember. Oh, wow.
Thank you, Kanye. Very cool. Blow out a candle and sanity below 25. And then we already got crucifix.
I got all three of them mofos. I'm about to just splash it on there. Okay.
Oh, he's an angry
He's
fella.
a jolly good fellow.
Spraying the...
Little anger bean.
He's an only good man. I'd talk if only I knew how.
Same, bro.
I mean, fuck it, I guess.
That sounds good. Are you okay?
I thought I was gonna die.
Were you? Was that sound effects? What was going on there?
No, dude, that was me panicking straight
That was a
up.
Batman sound effect. You hear that?
My sanity's too high. I'm gonna walk up on this bitch.
Yeah, let's go. I'm right behind you with 0. Let's go.
What the fuck? Oh!
There's no way. There's no way. What's going on in there, huh?
Hey,
Both
it looks
of
like
us-
a bad time.
Both of us so confidently walks up and just shuts in our face. Oh, somebody clapped.
Save somebody.
Just forehead.
Oh,
Oh, wait, I can
man, I got.
She said, "Oh wait." It do be. Look at that ghost. What the? That dude was on my nuts all the time. All right, let's go ahead and got the one pick. What about the Cruci?
Yeah, I got that.
Turn that bitch on.
Alright, we'll pitch you left. We're good.
Okay,
We just need to step in the salt without...
can't hide in there. Oh, you can hide in here. Okay, cool. Cam right. Oh wait. Bradley Buckley. Okay. Bradley Buckley.
Butt cheeks.
Buckley. Ooh, Jojo. But Bradley big.
Feet thick. Alright,
Hey,
come
blow
on,
the
we're
candle.
good.
Yay.
Now we just need sanity.
Oh.
We just gotta
Yeah,
get-
go to the
Oh, we're
church.
good. We got it. 25. We just get there. We're good.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
That's the
Smudge this
door.
bitch.
The second we
Fuck
get
that
there.
ghost.
We were so confident going in there, and then the door literally just slammed in our face. We're like, ah, okay, I guess we're not going in. We're just gonna wait.
It didn't even like play the animation for me at first.
No,
I just
it just
couldn't
instant.
walk in.
Yeah.
What the ghost is this?
Oni.
Yeah. OnlyFans. Let's go. OnlyFans. Ow.
Hey.
There's some jobs ready for you.
GG, fellas.
Yep. I gotta join some other friends since everybody wants to talk to me all of a sudden.
Oh, you got friends. You got friends. That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Good friends, good
Better
friends.
than having no friends, because that
True.
would be bad.
Bad.
I have simp friends right now. It's kind of sketchy. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of sketchy.
Well,
But they're okay for now. I'm just worried like how far some
That's
of them may
fair.
go.
That's fair. Well, you're always welcome to join us if we're playing. 9 times out of 10, it's just the 3 of us. So, welcome.
Yeah, I'll message ahead of time. I don't want to just jump in for no reason.
Good man. It was
Yep.
nice hanging out with you. Enjoy yourself.
Yep. You guys have a good night.
Alright, deuces.
Yep. Dude.
Bye to all of my beautiful beings out there. Mwah.